Every woman over 40 needs this. Today we're gonna make a Serenity Magnesium Whipped Tallow Body Butter. We've made this in the past on the show, but we are gonna add magnesium into it. 75% of women do not get enough magnesium in a day, and so this is key to helping you sleep at night. So let's head over to the stove so I can show you how to make this so that you can get the best night of rest ever. So the first thing that we're gonna do is we are gonna melt some of these magnesium flakes into water. So we're gonna start boiling some water, a 1/4 cup of water, and then we'll add a 1/4 cup of these magnesium flakes, and then we'll remove it from the heat. This paired with our tallow is gonna be a great transdermal application. So it's gonna help with the nervous system, reduce cortisol levels, ease muscles, while you're sleeping to help you get a better night's rest. Some people don't like to take an oral magnesium because of stomach upset or different reasons, but you can uptake magnesium through your skin. So then we're just gonna add a 1/4 cup of the magnesium flakes, and then you can just remove that from the heat and they will melt. You want that to cool so that whenever you add it to the whipped tallow body butter, which is also cooled, it mixes very well. Okay, so the second step that we're gonna do is we're gonna get 2 cups of tallow. Tallow is rich in vitamins A, D, E, and K. This paired with our Serenity oil that we're gonna add, which has cedarwood and hoe wood and vetiver and very calming blend of oils, all works together to give your nervous system a break, help you rest well. And that's when your body's doing its healing, is at night when you're sleeping. So without a good night's sleep, you're gonna really struggle to have a good day. So a lot of women definitely struggle in their 40s with sleep as their hormones are really fluctuating. Cortisol levels are higher. They have a lot of anxiety. They just can't seem to relax. And so this is a really simple way to help them have a better night's sleep and get through that perimenopause stage of their life. We're gonna do 2 ounces of cocoa butter, and we dump that in there. Once that is melted, I like to put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. It just gets nice and firm. We're gonna let our magnesium solution cool, and then before we whip it, we'll put our Serenity oil in. So that is how simple it is to make. You're making skin food, a nervous system regulator, a sleep aid, all in one. Okay, so we just pulled this out of the freezer, and you can see that that liquid that we melted is now firm. So it's ready to be whipped up. I haven't added the magnesium yet, so we'll slowly add that in. That's gonna be the key to not letting it get like a weird consistency. You're getting about 125 milligrams of magnesium every application. So that's not a super high dose, but it's enough that it will give you some benefit. You could double the amount of magnesium if you feel like you want a little more. So let's go ahead and add the magnesium to the tallow and the cocoa butter. I'm gonna add about 30 drops of Serenity while it's mixing slowly, then I'll speed it up so it gets really fluffy. You can see the consistency isn't runny. It's nice and firm. It almost looks like an icing. Smells delicious. You can also smell kind of the chocolate. The magnesium's in there. With this, your skin is being fed at a cellular level. You're getting all the vitamins from the tallow, which is so similar to your own skin sebum. And then your magnesium levels are going to be climbing through that transdermal application. So I would recommend, putting this on, keeping it by your bed, because even if you forget to take a magnesium supplement before you go to bed, it's going to be super easy to remember if it's right beside your bed. So put that on your whole entire body, especially your feet, your arms, your legs, everything. You're not only going to have the anti-aging benefits of the tallow and the cocoa butter, but you'll also have that transdermal application from the magnesium. And third, your nervous system is downshifting because of the Serenity. So that trio is going to just give you the most perfect bedtime ritual to help you get a wonderful night's sleep. I like to get these jars to keep my body butter in, but you could get any mason jar. This stuff is fluffy and it's good to keep in a cooler place if you have a really, really hot house and And don't use air conditioning. It could sort of get melted. So you'd want to keep it in a cooler place. Mine is fine, just in our room temperature air, and it will firm up just a little bit more because of the cocoa butter. There is your beautiful jar. These are great gifts to give to really anyone in your life, even little ones and people who struggle with sleep. It will help. It doesn't just have to be a woman over 40. If you liked this content, please give us a like, a subscribe, and it will help us to bring health and wellness to more people.